How to bake apple cake. So here are the ingredients. We have melted butter, sugar, vanilla pudding or custard powder with vanilla flavor, milk. So we have 7 apples. So the apples are small, so I use 7. If you have big apples, you can also use 4 pieces of apples and cut into small like this. Now in the bowl, put the butter, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix it well until it's become creamy. Next, we're going to add eggs, one at a time. And this time, I already used the mixing machine, so it's easier for me to mix. Next, I'm going to add the second egg. And we must mix it until it's become creamy, and this is the third eggs. So now it's already creamy, so we're going to set aside this bowl. In the other bowl, we're going to mix the flour, baking powder, and the vanilla pudding powder or custard powder with vanilla flavor. Fold the flour mix into the butter. Now we're going to add the milk and put all the flour mix into the butter. So as you can see, guys, it's really easy, this apple recipe, and I really love baking cakes. So now it's already ready, and now in this time, I make sure that it's all mixed, so I use the mixing machine again. So I only like to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed. So next, we're going to fold the apples into the butter, and we must going to mix it properly. So in the baking pan, I'm going to wipe the baking pan with the butter and I dust it with flour and remove the existing flour. Put the mixture into the baking pan. Bake the cake into 175 degrees Celsius with air for 40 minutes. And here is our result of our apple cake recipe. As you can see, it's really soft and really delicious. I hope you enjoy watching and don't forget to try this recipe, and it's really easy, basic, and it's really delicious. It's really yummy. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Click the notification bell button so that you are updated to my next videos. So thank you so much guys for watching, and see you on my next videos.